first ones in? Yes, we are.
We're gonna be the first ones in.
Yes, no tracks. No tracks.
What?
We're the first
We
ones
pulled
into
down
the
the
park.
greenhouse. Yeah, we pulled down the greenhouse real quick. Just to swing through real quick.
Watch the posts.
Real quick. That's all.
You can't even see the fucking roads and shit. Oh, you're in the park. That's why.
Yeah, I'm in the park.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of geese over there too. You can see him way over there. No.
Why y'all going to park? Do that now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Holy crap, that was actually close. That was close. Oh, that was close.
Did you pick yourself a little bit?
Huh?
I said, did you pick yourself a little bit?
No. Did you pay attention to how close he got to that light post?
Now I'm gonna need you to get out of video. Wanted to chase some geese, so we're gonna come out here and let her chase some geese for a minute. But yeah, we got it in as quick as we could, you know what I mean? Yes indeed. She out here doing her thing, enjoying life. Yes. Our first winter storm, and this is where we at. Alright, wait a minute. Let me cut the truck off for a minute. For what? Nah, I don't want to play snow fight. I ain't got no gloves. You ain't gonna let you keep hitting me.
And I ain't gonna let you hit me.
Don't hit, Trent. Go on, close your coat. You think the geese gonna run away on you? By the time you get over there, they might fight you. Better hurry up. My daughter out here chasing geese in the snow. They walking away from you. The geese tracks, it's a lot of them, ain't it? Thought you was gonna chase them. What happened? There they go, taking off. They like you ain't messing with us. Oh snap! They fussing at you. I'll meet y'all at the truck. You bet.
Don't come at him.
Okay.
Yeah.
He doesn't say something at you.
I know he is. He gonna make me pick up some snow. My hands cold. So, yep, we got out here. Chase a Don't hit her. God damn it. Her coat is. Close your coat. Come on, girl. He played too much. Come on, boy.
He has a smell on his hand.
I know he do. Come on. We gotta go.
Now you hit your truck from here?
Doubt it. Ah, boo.
Hit it. Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh shit. Come on, man. The people. God damn. I brought my kids out for a minute. So I think now we getting ready to get messed with by the police, y'all. So, yep. Roll my window back up. Whew. Hello.
How you doing?
All right.
You guys doing donuts?
Yeah, I was playing with the kids a little
Okay.
bit. That was all.
Well, we don't allow that here.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't know.
All right. Do you have your driver's license
Yes, I
on
do.
you? Where are you guys from?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I brought the kids out. We actually just tried to make it to the scrapyard real quick. So I was doing a POV video with the kids
Okay.
and brought her over here to chase the goose and
Okay.
everything.
This is your current address on the
Yeah.
license? Okay. Switch to it. All right.
Close your coat, mama.
They
It's
still
a little
running.
cold out.
Uh-huh.
They still running.
I know they fussing at her because she was chasing them.
You're chasing the geese.
She like that. I just want to go over and look at them and chase them real quick. I said they gonna fly away on you. Sometimes they might turn around and chase you.
Yeah. Do you have current insurance on your vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we got one of our township guys was driving
Okay.
by.
I
And
kind of
he
figured
called
somebody
us.
was, I was like, but
Yeah.
somebody gonna call on me.
Mhm.
But, you know, I'm
Yeah,
like,
it's a-
I just wanted her to go ahead and play out because I came over here to do the gooses. And I was like, we're gonna slide through real quick. And
Yeah, I understand it's fun, but
Yeah.
it's dangerous,
Yeah.
especially with the pavilions.
Right.
We don't want to.
Nobody to slide
We don't want
into
nobody to
them.
slide in and
Yeah.
get hurt, and then also it's expensive to rebuild these things.
I know it is.
So we just and like I said, and also like I said, we don't want anybody to get hurt
Right. I
in
totally
the process
understand.
because
Yeah.
it's a whole debacle. It
So
happened
we
before,
are
so-
actually on our way home because we tried to go to the scrapyard, but they closed
Yeah.
on us 10 minutes early. I was like,
Because
oh,
of
man.
the snow, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So,
Because we usually get the alerts when they shut down, but they didn't shut down. But he took the motor apart off the lawnmower,
Mhm.
and we got down, which we already knew we was about to take our time.
Yeah.
But we got there and they closed 10 minutes early.
It's-
And it was like me and 3 other trucks that pulled up. I'm
Oh,
like,
no.
goodness gracious, they shut
Yeah.
down on everybody. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Alrighty. I just wanted to make sure everyone was being safe and to let you know we don't allow that
I totally
kind of
understand.
behavior
Right.
in the park.
Right. Totally
Alright.
understand.
Thank you
Well,
for your
thank you.
understanding.
I
Have a good day.
understand.
Stay safe.
We
okay?
on our way home now anyway.
Good.
My wife just said, go in the house, don't come back out. I said, we went to the scrapyard, and on our way, she was like, but when y'all leave the park, go home and don't come back out. I said, I ain't come back out, girl. Other people on our way up, it was people that, they shouldn't even be out here. Two-wheel drive, they not even getting on track. They sliding into the curb.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Look, he was trying to kick my snowman.
I wasn't trying to. I did like that with the
See,
snow on my
big
shoe.
brother. Have a good one.
All right, come on, Trim.
Come on, mama, take the snow off. You know, you might want the snowman on.
All right, come on.
All right,
Other side.
So we got talked to by the law. Did you stop me while I was talking to the police? Oh, I was about to say, we got talked to by the law, y'all. So let's put it in four-wheel drive. Yep, so we got talked to by the police, and we had a good day. Good guy. I greatly appreciate it.
You didn't know my snowman.
Oh, that's good. He went around it. But we had fun. It was a great day. I knew they were coming.
I think my hand did that with the snow.
The truck that went by as soon as we came in, I think, is the one that called.
No. When he went by, we came in. Wasn't nobody there.
No, there was a truck that was coming down the road when we came in. No,
Yeah,
when I got out. Sorry.
I was about to say, because we wasn't doing donuts. They came down in here.
No, they went. They just slowly rode by. Hey, guess what? We're the first ones in. We're still the first ones out.
First one's in, first one's out, even though we got police behind us.
We're still leaving out before he.
Yes. Good guy, though. Good guy. Good
Yeah,
guy.
he was cool.
Yeah. That goes to show, y'all. It ain't no point hopping in your vehicle trying to run from the police or none of that. You know what I mean? Talk to them, do your job. If you ain't got no license, you ain't got no business out here. You understand? You ain't got no insurance, you have no business out here. And that's 100% facts. 100%. So, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's the moral of the story today. Make sure you got license to come to the park or go anywhere and act like a fool. Make sure you got license. And I'm taking the back road up to the house.
Yeah, it was fine. I just started running. They started walking.
That's why
I walked a little
Now
fast.
he's
They
open.
started walking more.
Yeah. That's why I was like, y'all get out. That way you see y'all, I'm out here with my kids.
Yeah.
I ain't out here doing no wrong. I'm out here with my kids.
But guess what? On the way back to the truck, I got myself a little snowball. Throw it at Dean because that was my revenge.
Yeah, he got two drive tours. Four tours. That ain't all-wheel drive, mama.
If you wanted to run, you could have, and you would have made it away fine.
Yeah.
But what's the point?
Yeah, I ain't in no.
Ain't doing no super real wrong.
And I ain't got no criminal background. Well, I used to.
But you don't have anything they can come after you for.
Yeah, I done did all my dirt. Anybody come through my back road yet?
Yeah.
Yep, we ain't the first.
Find some homeboy back here. You might have some homeboy back here. Can't get over back here.
Can't get in trouble back here. But he'll probably say something if people can see me. He's probably like, dang, where the hell he go? And my son said, whoa!
I don't even know if I caught it on camera, but you were extremely close to that light post.
I was talking about you. When I came to it.
Oh. Yeah, you almost hit me.
Let me see that.
Huh?
Look at this. So, yeah, we live right up on the top of the hill from the police station. So, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace.